Hi all, it's a brand new week, which means fresh mortgage and buy-to-let news. Let's dive in. Some big news from the Bank of England first. Last week, the base rate was cut from 4.25% to 4%, the lowest since March 2023. If you're on a tracker mortgage, you could see your repayments drop by a decent amount. Fixed rates are also edging down, now averaging 5% for 2-year and 5-year deals. But savers, brace yourselves. Rates on savings accounts are already falling, and with inflation expected to rise to 4% in September, the real value of your cash could take a hit. Meanwhile, in the buy-to-let world, landlords have been swapping flats for office space. Shawbrook reports a 44% jump in applications for office projects in the first half of the year, with some regions like the Southwest seeing demand surge over 200%. London and the Southwest might be on a serious shopping spree, but it's a smart move. Diversification is key for landlords wanting to keep their income steady while the market throws curveballs. Back to mortgages. With the interest rate cut, you might be wondering, is now a good time to buy a house? Mortgage rates are falling, affordability is improving, and August is shaping up to be the busiest month for home movers this year. Some lenders are even offering sub 4% mortgage deals. But, and there's always a but, stamp duty thresholds dropped in April, which means higher tax bills for buyers and a brief slowdown in house price growth. Still, if you're not put off, here are a few tips to help you out. Check the energy performance certificate to get an idea of running costs, and be sure to ask about the boiler's age, loft condition, parking, broadband, and mobile signal. Basically, if your deposit's ready and your budget's comfortable, this could be your moment. Finally, here is a classic case of do as I say, not as I do. Rushanara Ali, the homelessness minister, has resigned after evicting tenants, then reletting the place for £700 more a month. Yikes. Critics called it hypocrisy. Ali says she followed the rules but stepped down to stop hogging the headlines. With her own party pushing the renters' rights bill, it's not a great look. That's all for now. Mortgages, landlords, politics, a bit of everything to keep you in the know without putting you to sleep. Leave a comment or visit gurdip.co.uk if you need advice. See you next time.